So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malyala. First of all, thank you for your love. So now we are 6k family strong. So coming to this video, I know many of you already seen the thumbnail and title regarding what I am going to talking about. So VIT Triple E, the retest. So what exactly happened? So many students got issues during the exam. So Code Tantra website issues, lag issues, and some are unable to connect to third eye due to that invigilator blocked them. So yeah, these things happened during the exam. So many people have requested for retest. So what exactly happening is, so if you also want to write the retest, please mail to them today itself. This is the mail ID which I am displaying here now. So with ugadmissions@wit.ac.in, explain your issue and ask for request for your retest. So if they accept based on your activity, so you can write the exam on June 10th. And what exactly happening, whoever will mail to them, so they are not going to keep conduct that means conduct retest for them. So what exactly they are going to do is, like, they will be like, after a thorough analysis of the user analytics, like they will go through all your analytics, what exactly, how much screen time was there for you during the exam, so how much time the exam got blocked, everything will be taken into consideration. And if they feel like you should get a re-exam, so they will give the re-exam. So you can check this particular mail ID. One student applied for retest. He said, like, I have faced so and so issues, so I want to write retest. So what exactly they replied is this one: after a thorough analysis of the user analytics data of your examination given already, we conclude that there is no foundation in the claim and enough opportunity has been given. Hence, we are unable to consider you for the re-exam or re-examination. So that is what they have replied. So yeah, that is what they replied. So if you want to write, like, if you also faced any issues, once message them that you have faced these issues, I want to write re-exam. So they will check whether whatever you are requesting is correct or not. If they feel that you can give the re-exam, they will allow you to write the re-exam. That is on June 10th. So now coming to the details, talking about the retest, the retest is going to conduct, like, re-exam is conducted for the applicants who were absent and had interruptions as verified by applicant activity based on their request. So now the previous score will be cancelled and the score only for the re-exam will be conducted. So even if you get less marks, so they are not going to consider your old marks. So the new marks which you are going to get from this particular exam retest only they will be considering, and it is the responsibility of the candidate to apply. So this time they are not going to once again allow for re-exam. You have to be responsible, like you have to arrange necessary extra devices or internet or power backup, because no re-exam will be entertained. Any attempts to copy or discuss, share questions or answer family or friends in the social media in any other print or electronic media will be considered as malpractice, resulting in disqualification. You should not do any malpractice. So same guidelines which followed for the main exam are going to so the same guidelines which they followed for the main exam will be same for this particular exam also. So if acceptable, like, please book. So if you are okay with the top 6 points, so you can book your slot on that particular link. I will leave that link also in the description. So slot booking is available from 5th June 10 a.m. to 8th June 5 p.m. So between that you have to book your slot, and a mock test will be available on 9th June 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You have to write once again the mock test. It is highly recommended to check device compatibility before the exam. So please don't miss this mock test. And coming to, these are the important dates. Slot booking, so 10 a.m. of 5th June to 5 p.m. of 8th June. Mock test is on 9th June and exam date is on 10th June. You have already mailed, so check your mail whether they accepted your retest application or not. And if you didn't mail it, so please mail to them today itself. This is the mail ID which I am displaying here now. So with ugadmissions@wit.ac.in. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.